The recent drug test by India's apex drug regulatory body has left the people in dilemma. The Central Drug Standard Control Organization declared more than 50 drugs, including paracetamol, Pan-D and calcium supplements, as not of standard quality in their recent report. Now, the concerns were raised as these are the go-to medicines for hundreds of people if they ever feel unwell. In fact, during COVID-19, paracetamol was one of the most consumed medicine, and even today, you'll rarely come across someone who hasn't popped a paracetamol if they are unwell. Notably, a few months back, a safety alert was issued for another very common painkiller, which women preferably use during their cramps, and that was Meftal. The concerns are at all-time high and people are worried that what now? What if they have already popped the drug from the unfit batch? Are they going to get more sick? Don't worry. We have answers to almost all of your queries. Sit tight as I, Akshat Khanna from News 9 Live, will tell you how these drug tests are performed. What's the next step after a drug fails the test? What if you have popped a medicine from the unfit batch? 3 easy ways to stay away from the fake medicines. Well, first let's start with how these tests are performed. To start with, a drug inspector randomly picks a sample of drugs that will be tested. The sample could be taken from anywhere, be it from a manufacturer or a seller. And then, the drug inspector along with the government analysts sends the sample for the test. Now, these tests are different and are often different for different medicines. Later, the report is analyzed and strict actions are taken if the drug fails the quality test. Now, this was just to enlighten you about how the drug regulatory tests are done. Now coming to the most important part, how to identify fake and genuine medicines. To start with, always buy the medicines in batch and ensure to take a bill copy, as this will help you to keep a track of the medicine. Secondly, the medicines manufactured these days have a barcode on their packaging. Scanning their barcode will immediately take you to the manufacturer's site where you can find if the medicine you are going to buy is authentic or not. Notably, the manufacturers have recently started putting barcodes on the medicines, so there are chances that even a genuine medicine may not have a barcode. The third one, do not fall for unreal discounts. There might be some shopkeepers offering you big discounts. Do not fall for that. It is via this process that some try to push the fake medicines into the market. The government has already fixed the margin for chemists for each drug, so if the discounts are big, do not fall for it. And for the most important part, do not pop a medicine from a chemist without proper knowledge, and always visit a doctor. Thank you for watching.